Hello students. Last class we had discussed about the Supreme Court, composition, qualification of judges, appointment, independence of judiciary from the control of executive and legislature. Today we will discuss jurisdiction and functions of the Supreme Court. Before we learn about the jurisdiction of Supreme Court, let's know what is the meaning of jurisdiction. It is the power or authority to decide legal cases, or it is the official power to make legal decisions and judgment. Supreme Court is the protector and the final interpreter of the Constitution. Whatever the decisions taken by the Supreme Court, that is the final decision. Let's know about what is original jurisdiction. It means the power to hear and determine a dispute or case in the first instance. For example, disputes between center and state, disputes between two states, disputes relating to fundamental rights. The Supreme Court has the power to issue orders or writs for the enforcement of the fundamental rights. Any citizen can move the Supreme Court in case of violation of these rights in the first instance. Cases relating to interpretation of the Constitution. All cases in which an interpretation of the Constitution is involved can be directly filed in the Supreme Court. Now we will learn about appellate jurisdiction. Supreme Court is the highest court of appeal. Supreme Court is empowered to hear appeals against the decisions of the High Courts. An appeal against the decision of the High Court in respect of civil cases if the High Court certifies. Supreme Court is the final court of appeal. It has the power to grant special leave to appeal against the judgment delivered by any court in the country. Such cases brought before the Supreme Court only through an appeal come under the category of the appellate jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. It is empowered to hear appeals against the decisions of the High Court about the civil cases, criminal cases, with certificate or without a certificate. With certificates means the High Court gives the grant to the certificate. Constitutional cases. An appeal lies to the Supreme Court against the decision of the High Court if the latter certifies that the case involves an interpretation of the Constitution. If the High Court refuses to give such a certificate, the Supreme Court may grant special leave to appeal in case it is satisfied that an interpretation of the Constitution is involved in the case. What is revisory jurisdiction? The Supreme Court has the power to revise or to review its own judgment or order with a view to remove any mistake or error that might have occurred in the judgment. Supreme Court has the right to reopen the cases. What is the power of the judicial review of the Supreme Court? The Supreme Court has the power to review laws passed by the union or state legislatures and can declare null or void. It means illegal. It is against the spirit of the Constitution. Advisory jurisdiction. The President of India may look for advice of the Supreme Court on important questions of law and fact. The President of India may look for advice of the Supreme Court. When any question is referred to the Supreme Court, a bench consisting of at least 5 judges deals with it. The opinion of the Supreme Court is not binding on the President as it is not a judicial pronouncement. Supreme Court acts as a guardian of fundamental rights. The Supreme Court has the right to issue order or writs, including writs in the nature of habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, quo warranto, and certiorari for the enforcement of fundamental rights. Let's know why Supreme Court is called as a court of record. The Supreme Court is a court of record whose judgments are recorded for evidence and for future reference. In accordance with the Supreme Court, High Court and District Courts decide their cases in case of need. That's all about today's class.